my god, what is concentration, hearing, remember, respond? What can I do with this all? I'm to enhance my listening. Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Rubani Ruhani Institute of Science and English. First of all, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. In this part, I will tell you how to make these all skills the part of your life. To become an excellent English speaker and to understand all public orations. These both depend upon your mental agility. If you are hardworking and you are not getting good results, it means you are mishandling your work. Hard work is the key to success, but without goal, hard work is futile. If you want to become a good in English, the first point is listening. Out of 4 modules, listening can enhance your English. For example, if a child when born, he always lives in the surrounding of his native language speakers. So he listens daily that language and speaks. So it is the proof, listen more and more daily. If you are starting today, take your headphones, attach them with your mobile phone, open YouTube, search any British topic with subtitles, close your eyes, try to listen that topic. But in the beginning, you will not listen anything clearly. And on the same day, listen that topic again without watching subtitles. Because when we speak in front of child, we do not give any subtitles to the child. We just repeat the words. Okay? If you will say, why I will repeat again, same topic. I'm so much busy. I cannot do that. I do not have much time in the day. But if you want to enhance your listening, then you will have to repeat same topic again and again in the day. Okay? Firstly, you will not get anything. When you repeat the same topic, you will listen something. Then you will have to again repeat that topic. Then you will understand everything, mostly. But some words may not be audible to you, but you can understand what is the main point of conversation. Okay? So try this today. Then this will, first of all, increase your concentration. If you hear, you are giving attention to your words. What are you listening? Because when a child born, we speak some words, but that child do not give any response. He just stare at us. And after some time, the child smiles because he is understanding. Okay? So, when firstly you will listen any English topic, maybe you are just means your mind may be blank during that time. But after some time, in a few days, when you are doing same thing again and again, not repeat the same topic all day. For one day, you have to keep one topic and repeat that again and again. On the next day, change the topic and try to listen. But in the same sequence, means you listen first. If you don't get anything, repeat the same topic. Then if you listen something, then try to listen again and again without watching subtitles. At the end, when you listen everything, means you are understanding, then watch the subtitles. Watch subtitles and find that whatever you are listening and whatever you are understanding, is that right or wrong? Okay, so best of luck, and these skills are helpful if you are doing, means you are making your schedule of the day like this, as I said to you. Okay, thank you very much.